Hey.
Oh, welcome back. Oh.
All right, what do we have?
What do we have? Like you order this stuff.
All right.
Yeah, you do the honor. Here, just like open it up. Oh my god, dude, look. There's nothing. What the cousin tarnation is that, Betty? Ooh, guess who's this, Edgar?
Ah, yes. Long awaited, but we got it. Let's see if you'll fit in it. You're gonna fit snug. No, I didn't mean it like that. I didn't mean it like that. I know.
I've been going to the gym.
Yeah, I know. You're gonna fit snug here, because it'll fall back. It's so tight. It like snugs you in. Oh God, no!
Oh, shit.
Dude, careful! Oh
shit!
Dramatic.
Yo, what?
Dramatic.
What? It's the turbo.
It's so light.
It's like.
There she is, boys.
What the?
I don't fit. Oh man.
And go.
What are you gonna do?
Hey, what
Oh,
are you
Herbert,
doing?
you better not drop me.
You best not.
I broke the box. Ow! What did I?
Okay, there's no fucking around. Let's do this. Why didn't you tell me to open?
Alright, well there it is, boys.
I think we're supposed to do our own holes, no?
Yeah, because then we gotta calculate how far we want it off the ground.
Oh, what are those? Tell us what those are.
Instructions that we're actually gonna use.
Oh, we are gonna use them? Yeah, you can read, I can't read.
You can't tell me you're scared to drill a little bit of holes and you took a whole car apart.
In pristine condition, dude.
Okay.
Look at me.
Taking off the seat and doing all kinds of work.
Finally, dude. I am taking a break out of all this time. Here, look at that. These are like trick shots, dude. Oh shit, I broke it. Damn, you dumbass. Oh, I did break it, dude.
Such a bootstrap job. It's like coming up perfect. Well, we gotta have food more around here more often for you.
Who the fuck brought food?
You? Let go of it, please. Oh. Hey, the carpet! Okay, so we're gonna cut this so that it'll look like here. This part here will be flush to the car, or flat. We're not even gonna measure, he's just gonna go for it.
What? Huh? We never measure. Things go wrong when you measure.
hot quick.
That's hot. There's only one way to test it.
Dude, it's on a nail, chill.
Alright. That's how you test welds.
What are you doing?
Certify my welds, why?
Alright guys, well that's going to conclude it for today. We just wanted to get this, we're waiting for the seat and we're going to clear the seat with enough room. Now what we need to do next is figure out how we're going to do the rest of the back, because we need to add reinforcements. Alright guys, we're back. It's day 2. We're going to finish the rest of it, the back. Yeah, the most important thing is getting the back because it's probably the most complicated until we get to the front. But for now we're just going to work on the back and we're going to get that started. Wow. Any louder, dude? Any louder?
No front. These are hot, dude. Just like yank it off. Don't do.
That's a horn. The way we're breaking this down is we were just trying to get the back of it started, and then the rest of it will just be where the plexiglass is gonna go, it's gonna hold the plexiglass, and then I think we're just thinking of doing 2 bars from the front just to hold it. So we'll do that next video, but it's coming out clean. And then the next seat will be here within a week or 2. So, all right, guys. Well, that's gonna cap it off for today. We got the back done, so. The next part, I guess we're halfway done, and we're thinking about putting a radiator on the back too, so just so we can get it out of here and then also get the battery. So we're gonna have a lot of space here, but anyways, next part will be doing the windshield, which we're gonna get that all framed up, and we're gonna have to do a lot of bending for that, so, or more bending I should say, so we're gonna need more people. But yeah, once we get that windshield done, we'll also do the middle part. And then the rest of it will just be the side skirts of the car. And I think we're only gonna add a little bit down here. We're not gonna add, so it's already hard to get out of the car. Like I said, if you guys have any ideas or anything, just let us know. And yeah, thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, and we'll catch you guys later. GG's.